Bury an egg in your garden soil and what happens a few days later will surprise you. Good soil means everything for a gardener looking to raise healthy, happy plants. While there are certainly countless chemicals and expensive solutions, there are actually many simple things you can do to boost nutrients and maintain a successful garden. But do keep in mind that the best ways are always going to be the most natural ways. Here are 5 genius life hacks that will show you how to use eggs as a fertilizer for nutrient-rich soil. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Number 1. Whole Egg Fertilizer. The solution to a thriving plant may be as simple as planting a raw egg. As you prepare your pots with soil, simply include a raw egg at the bottom of each pot. Over time, the eggs will decompose and will work as a natural fertilizer for the seedlings. The benefits of using whole eggs as fertilizer are endless. Eggs contain high levels of calcium, and this is an important nutrient for plants, especially vegetables and fruits. Eggs will leach the calcium into the soil for root uptake during composting, which can conquer such problems as blossom end rot. You can also bury a crushed egg, which works just as good as a whole egg. Number 2. Eggshell Fertilizer. Many gardeners believe that eggshells are wonderful for use in the garden. Eggshells have nitrogen, calcium, and phosphoric acid, which make them an ideal choice for garden use, as they add nutritional value to the soil. They also help deter slugs, provide extra aeration and drainage to the soil. Simply crush the shells and mix them into the soil. For best results, plan on using 4 to 5 eggs for each plant you want to fertilize. Number 3. Crushed Eggshell Fertilizer. You can sprinkle some crushed eggshells around the base of your plant, and you do not need to cover the eggshells with soil. As they decompose, they will leach calcium and other nutrients into the soil. This will help your plants grow into strong, healthy plants. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Number 4. Eggshell Tea Fertilizer. Another way to use eggshells is to boil them, and use the liquid to water your plants. Eggshell tea fertilizer has increased levels of calcium and potassium, both of which benefit plants, especially those that have flowers and fruits. Using the water to irrigate plants provides an easy way for roots to access these nutrients. Simply crack open some raw eggs, rinse them with warm water, and let them dry in a sunny spot. When rinsing the shell, run your finger around the inside of the shell to get rid of any residue. Try to leave the membrane. Most of the nutrients are in this. Then, simply boil 1 gallon of water with 2 tablespoons of crushed eggshells, and save the yolks and whites for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can also make a foliar spray so leaves will draw the nutrients into the vascular system to utilize both elements. Number 5. Eggshell Seed Starters. You can start seeding in almost anything these days. But I bet you haven't tried seeding in eggshells. It is ridiculously easy, and yes, it's even practical. Start with arranged clean eggshells in an egg carton. Using a spoon, fill each eggshell with pre-moistened seed-starting soil. Place a couple of seeds in each pot, according to your seed sowing instructions. Leave the carton in a sunny south-facing window. Lightly mist the soil with a spray bottle every couple of days as needed. A fine mist is all that's needed for young seedlings. When your seedlings have emerged, snip the weakest or smallest ones to allow the largest seedlings room to grow. After your seedling has developed its first set of true leaves, you can transplant it into a larger pot, or plant it directly in your garden. Gently crush the shell and remove a few shards around the bottom. You can plant the whole thing this way, and the eggshell will decompose in the soil, feeding extra nutrients to your seedlings. So, go ahead and bury an egg in your garden soil, and see what happens a few days later. Thanks for watching. If you think what you've learned in this video is useful, please slam that like button, and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe.